1 year ago, Matvey Foundation Repair partnered with Groundworks. This is our story.
The biggest limitation Matvey has had before Groundworks is lack of working capital. We were very limited at what we could do and how can we grow and expand.
I'll never forget the moment that Matvey joined Groundworks, seeing the look on everybody's faces, the excitement, knowing that we'd be financially sound with a future.
In the past year, we're breaking records and growing in sales and production.
We went from 11 production crews to 14 production crews. We went from 11 CFIs to 22 CFIs.
In 2024, did 13 million in install, and 2025, they're on track for over 18 million in installs.
April 2025, we broke the sales record for 2.6 million. The previous record was 2 million.
We are growing, we're growing fast, we're selling more, we're installing more.
As we've seen the quality of the sales process increase, the individual CFIs bringing home more money for their family and their career, and that's been a win.
People are seeing the benefits that Groundworks has brought to our branch, from financial stability to the ownership aspect.
I think it's been overwhelming, the amount that Groundworks has invested in our company. A brand new fleet. Anything at our need has been replaced with brand new, top-of-the-line equipment.
Training is great, amazing. Every single employee gets lots of help and training.
Every position has trainers. They make sure we know what we're doing. They send us to other locations for training.
We serve way more customers right now. Before, we would be serving an average 100 customers a month. Now we're at 150 plus and keep growing.
The customer journey is such a fantastic path for our customers, putting our customers first before anything else.
This place has been hungry, ready, and waiting for something like Groundworks and the opportunity that's happened here. We're just gonna put a big Groundworks boot print in the Northwest. We're taking over.
The merge made this company's culture stronger. People no longer worried about security of their work.
So I feel the employees are well supported and they have a good, solid career in Groundworks.
We're going to be the best in the West and hopefully best in all of Groundworks.
We've learned so much. The future is whatever we make it. And here in Seattle, we can do anything.